tech enthusiasts! Welcome to another deep dive into the tech world. Today we're talking about storage, the backbone of our digital lives, the unsung heroes that keep our data safe and accessible. Storage devices are like the memory banks of our computers and smartphones, holding on to our digital treasures. They hold everything from our precious photos and videos to important documents, fun games, and even the apps we use daily. Without storage, our devices wouldn't remember a thing. Imagine trying to use your phone or computer without any saved data. It would be like starting from scratch every time. Imagine a giant library where all your digital files live, neatly organized and ready for you to access at any time. That's what a storage device is like. A vast, organized repository for all your digital content. Just like a library has shelves for books, storage devices have special ways to organize and store data, ensuring everything is in its right place. We'll dive into the different types of storage devices soon, but first, let's get familiar with two key terms that are crucial to understanding storage capacity. This refers to how much data a storage device can hold. Think of it as the size of the library. The bigger it is, the more books it can store. Think gigabytes or terabytes. The bigger the number, the more you can store. For instance, a terabyte can hold about 250,000 photos or 500 hours of HD video. Speed. This measures how fast a storage device can read and write data. It's like how quickly a librarian can fetch a book for you. Faster speeds mean quicker access to your files, which is crucial for tasks like video editing or gaming where every second counts. Now that we've got the basics down, we can appreciate the complexity and importance of these devices in our daily lives. So let's explore the fascinating world of storage devices, from traditional hard drives to cutting-edge SSDs and beyond. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on how to choose the right storage for your needs. Let's kick things off with the veteran of the storage world, the hard disk drive or HDD. HDDs have been around for ages and are known for their large storage capacities and affordability. Think of an HDD as a vintage record player. Inside, there are spinning disks called platters coated with a magnetic material. These platters spin rapidly, and a tiny read-write head moves across them like a needle on a record. HDDs are like spacious warehouses. They can hold tons of data, making them great for storing large files like movies and music libraries. However, because of the moving parts, HDDs are a bit slower than their modern counterparts. Imagine each platter in an HDD as a city map with concentric circles called tracks. Data is written onto these tracks in tiny magnetic regions. When you want to access a file, the read-write head has to physically move to the correct track and sector to find it. This mechanical movement takes time, and that's why HDDs aren't as fast as SSDs. It's like searching for a specific address in a large city. You have to drive there physically. Despite their slower speeds, HDDs are still a popular choice for budget-conscious users who need a lot of storage space. They're like the reliable old cars of the storage world. They might not be the fastest, but they get the job done. Now let's shift gears to the world of solid-state drives, or SSDs, the sleek sports cars of the storage world. SSDs are all about speed and efficiency. They use a technology called flash memory, which is much faster than HDD's spinning disks. Imagine a digital filing cabinet where you can access any file instantly. That's the beauty of SSDs. They have no moving parts, so data access is lightning fast. SSDs excel at tasks that require quick data retrieval, such as booting up your computer, launching applications, and loading games. They're like the cheetahs of the storage world, swift and agile. A flash memory in SSDs is similar to what's used in USB drives and memory cards. It stores data in tiny electrical cells, and because there's no physical movement involved, data access is incredibly fast. Think of it like having all your files at your fingertips. You don't have to wait for anything to spin up or move around. It's instant access all the way. SSDs are becoming increasingly popular due to their speed and durability. They're more resistant to shocks and vibrations compared to HDDs, making them a great choice for laptops and mobile devices. Now, let's take our exploration beyond physical storage devices and into the realm of the cloud. This is where the magic of modern data storage truly shines. Cloud storage has revolutionized how we store and access data. No longer are we confined to local hard drives or physical storage devices. It's like having a digital safety deposit box accessible from anywhere in the world. Whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling, your data is always within reach. Imagine a vast network of data centers spread across the globe, storing your files securely. These data centers are equipped with advanced security measures to protect your information. That's the essence of cloud storage. It's not just about convenience, it's about security and reliability. With cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and iCloud, you can upload your files to these remote servers and access them from any device with an internet connection. This means you can work on your documents, photos, and videos from your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Cloud storage offers numerous benefits, including automatic backups, easy file sharing, and collaboration. You can share files with colleagues or friends with just a few clicks, and the ability to access your data from anywhere. This flexibility is invaluable in today's fast-paced world. It's like having a digital backpack that goes wherever you go. Your important files are always with you, ready to be accessed whenever you need them. This is the future of data storage, and it's here now. When you store files in the cloud, they're not actually floating around in the sky, despite the name. Instead, these files are stored in physical locations known as data centers. These data centers are massive facilities owned by tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. They house thousands of servers that store and manage your data. Think of these data centers as fortresses for your data. They are equipped with advanced security measures, including biometric scanners, surveillance cameras, and fire suppression systems. Redundant systems are in place to ensure your files are safe and always accessible, even in the event of hardware failures or natural disasters. When you need to access a file stored in the cloud, your device sends a request over the internet to the data center. This request travels through a complex network of cables and connections, spanning across cities, countries, and even continents. Once the request reaches the data center, the servers there retrieve the file and send it back to your device. This process happens in a matter of seconds, thanks to the high-speed internet connections and efficient data management systems in place. It's like ordering takeout from your favorite restaurant. Your device places the order, and the restaurant or data center delivers the food, or in this case, the data. The entire process is seamless and designed to provide you with quick and reliable access to your files, no matter where you are in the world. So, with all these different storage options available, how do you choose the right one for your needs? Well, it all depends on your specific requirements and priorities. If you prioritize speed and responsiveness, SSDs are the way to go. They're perfect for booting up your system quickly, running demanding applications, and enjoying faster loading times in games. For budget-conscious users who need ample storage space, HDDs are still a viable option. They're great for storing large media libraries, backups, and files you don't access frequently. Cloud storage is ideal for online backups, file sharing, and accessing your data from anywhere. It's also a convenient option if you use multiple devices and want to keep your files in sync. Ultimately, the best storage solution often involves a combination of different types. For example, you might have an SSD for your operating system and frequently used applications, an HDD for storing large files, and cloud storage for backups and file sharing. Remember, it's all about finding the right balance between speed, capacity, affordability, and convenience. The world of storage is constantly evolving, with new technologies and innovations emerging all the time. From traditional HDDs to blazing fast SSDs and the ever-expanding realm of cloud storage, there are more options than ever to manage our digital lives. By understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each type of storage, you can make informed decisions about how to store and access your precious data. As technology advances, we can expect even faster, more efficient, and more integrated storage solutions in the future. And there you have it, a crash course on the world of storage devices. I hope you found this exploration insightful and engaging. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your tech-savvy friends, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome tech content. Until next time, keep those drives spinning and stay curious.